I'm here with my grandbabies, and I had them trying some of my favorite candies, which is ginger chews. This is the regular ginger, because we have a variety of them. This is the lemon ginger chews. This is mango ginger chews. And this is lychee ginger chews. Can you guess which one is my favorite? Nah, you can't. Anyway, I'm gonna have them try each one, and we're gonna rate them. Right? You wanna rate them? From 1 through 10. All right, here we go. The first one we're gonna try is let's build them up. We're gonna try the lychee